welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Vijay Joshi and I hope you all are doing well. So title देख के आप लोगों को पता चल ही गया होगा कि ये वीडियो किस बारे में है. So before I start making my 2026 vision board, let me just reflect my 2025 as I do usually while making the vision board video. So at the beginning of 2025, I made this video where I manifested 2025 and I have made a vision board with my friend, which actually I miss her right now because last time she helped me a lot and I miss her a lot. Sending loves. So when I was making the vision board for 2025 in this video, I have clearly mentioned that this time I'm not gonna make my vision board just to look aesthetic. I wanted to put a real intention, like what are my goals for the 2025 years and what's the new era for me. I can't believe that it's already the end of 2025, like the days are passing just like this. So here is my 2025 vision board, as you can see. So you guys be so you guys might be wondering like whether did I achieve all my goals which I put in this board. The short answer is no, I haven't achieved all. So am I disappointed that my goals didn't achieve? Clearly not, because if I am disappointed, I wouldn't be making vision board for the next year, which is 2026. So let me sort out some misconception which people might have regarding vision board. So first thing is, vision board doesn't have any deadline. Like ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि तुमने अगर जो भी गोल्स तुम्हारे विजन बोर्ड में लिखा है फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर ईयर, इट डजेंट हैव टू बी लाइक ये ईयर में तुम्हें वो कंप्लीट करना है. So vision board doesn't come with the deadline. You can carry forward those goals into the next year as well. It's just that you have a vision for that year, and if you complete that goal in that year, it's well and good. And if you don't have to be disappointed. You can just carry forward. It is like, in short way, vision board can have short term and long term goals. So yeah, you don't have to give yourself a deadline for that particular goal, because sometimes the circumstances and the situation might not be in your favor and you might be busy or you might not be able to focus on the goal which you wanted. So just keep in your mind that whatever you put in your vision board, have a clear picture in your mind, but you don't have to get disappointed if it doesn't achieved in that particular year. So with that keeping in mind, another thing is, so you don't have to be like realistic while making vision board. Manifestation might work in a way that you can't even imagine. It's just that you need to just work on that goal and it's gonna happen one day. And the most and last important thing is, consider your vision board as an action board. So some of the things which I put in my vision board, just मैंने action लिया है अपने goal के ऊपर, I have achieved most of them, but there are few goals which I couldn't, because again I didn't work on them or I didn't give attention to that goal. So I'm just gonna carry forward to the next year. One of the example I would give from my board is, I put this YouTube monetization eligibility, but I couldn't. As you know that I was so inactive on YouTube, I have just completely stopped uploading YouTube video, which I kind of regret, because at the beginning everything was going perfect and then suddenly the downfall happened and I just don't want to talk about that. So I couldn't work on that, and because of that this goal is incomplete for this year. Also, some of the goals which I achieved in this year was, so I wanted a job in this year, like a full-time position, which I got. And then I also wanted, I don't know whether you can see or not, I'll just put a picture over here. I also wanted a view with my office, and I wanted like a hybrid kind of a role. So work from home, I have been doing that from the beginning of my career. So I wanted to wear that corporate aesthetic, like I have mentioned over here and over here, that I want to wear a corporate aesthetic and I want to go to office, but I didn't want it like 5 days to go to office, which kind of worked because the job I got is hybrid role, which is like a 3 days work from home and 2 days office, which was plus point for me. And another goal which became the reality was this camera, which currently I'm shooting on. One thing I want to work on the next year is not letting my emotion decide the energy, which has controlled my consistency. Like, it has been a major drawback for me, just because I was letting my emotion decide whether should I work or whether should I just skip. So there were days where I was just completely feeling sad and disappointed and all the like self-doubt and everything, and I let my emotion decide my action. Like I wasn't even getting out of my room. I just don't want that one day or one setback to affect my other goals which I am working towards. So in 2026, I just want to keep showing up even when my emotions fluctuate. So I'm ready for 2026 and I hope it's gonna be good for me and for you guys as well. So let's get started with making the vision board. Here are the printouts for my vision board. So yeah, let's get started. And also I'm going to use this board only because I couldn't find the exact size. So I'm gonna reuse this and not gonna waste this cardboard. Otherwise ये बेचारा ऐसे ही फेंकना पड़ेगा इसको. So let's reuse this. So let's start cutting this. Let me know in the comment section that are you excited for 2026 or am I the only one who is getting excited for 2026? I don't know. Like 2025 तो उतना अच्छा गया नहीं है. Still it wasn't that bad. And you know the funny thing is मैंने ये सब कुछ निकाल के तो बैठ गई थी मैं. And then when I was gathering all the things which I wanted to make vision board, I realized that I don't have a glue. I hope इसके अंदर इतना glue निकल जाए. जो भी मुझे मिला I just brought it. एंड मुझे पता नहीं इसके अंदर कितना ग्लू है. थोड़ा बहुत तो है बट पता नहीं कितना चलेगा. बस ये ख़त्म हो जाए मेरा. ओके सो आई हैव डन द सॉर्टिंग पार्ट. लेट मी शो हाउ इट लुक्स. एज यू कैन सी हियर इज़ ऑल द मेस. एंड या मैंने अभी कॉफ़ी कंप्लीट किया इसलिए वो खाली मग पड़ा हुआ है. सो डोंट जज मी. एंड यस सो या लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Here are the pictures I have. So yeah, let me rearrange this how I want. एक साइड से लगता है कि will this be sufficient और एक लग रहा है कि कम तो नहीं पड़ेगा ना करके. Let me explain. Able to get this and इस बार ना बहुत कलरफुल दिख रहा है. लाइक लास्ट टाइम मैं उल्टा के तो नहीं दिखा सकती हूँ बट लास्ट टाइम द पिक्चर्स वेर लाइक ऐसे ब्लैकिश और ब्राउनिश काइंड ऑफ. दिस टाइम इट लुक्स सो कलरफुल एंड आई जस्ट लविंग इट. बस ये देख के मुझे बहुत एक्साइटमेंट स्टार्ट हो गई है अभी से. फिंगर क्रॉस एंड टच वुड आई विल बी एबल टू अचीव ऑल दिस. लेट्स स्टिक दिस. सो गाइस जैसे तैसे करके मैंने ग्लू निकाल दिया and उसको उल्टा करके I was doing. I have stick all the pictures and here is the full result. It is looking so good as you can see and it is looking actually colorful. I just can't stop looking at my vision board because it is looking completely different than the last year and the goals are also much exciting. I did carry forward a few goals. So anyhow this year I just want to prioritize my body, my mind and I want to feel healthier and more grounded. Also I am focusing on more to become confident person which I know that sometimes I lack confidence a lot. As always I want to travel more. Also I forgot like I started reading books like self-help books in 2025. My goal was to read one book every month but I wasn't able to complete all 12 books which I have decided. So this year I want to make sure that I read a lot of books so that I gain some good knowledge instead of bakwas knowledge which I always have. And the last part is creativity will be one of the bigger focus for the next year. I am not sure how but I want to focus more on creating content which I used to like at the beginning I started as just like a documenting my life. I didn't want it to gain followers or a side hustle for my YouTube channel but now I want to take it pretty serious and I'm saying it in front of the camera so that I achieve this and I post consistently and मेरे दिमाग में वो बात रहेगी कि मैंने कैमरा के सामने बोला है तो I have to work on that. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. I just hope that your 2026 year will be so grateful. I wish all of your dreams come true. So best of luck for the new year and happy new year. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon which is beside the subscribe button so that whenever I upload my video, you get the notification. Bye bye.